Good afternoon, members and friends of Calvary. It's time for our video devotion of the week. Today it comes from 1 Kings chapter 21, which was our devotions from this morning, but it's about the life of Ahab. Ahab's a wicked man, ungodly man, married to Jezebel. That should tell us all that we need to know. God sends Elisha the prophet to tell him he's going to be judged. And in verse number 27, it says, "And it came to pass when Ahab heard these words, that he rent his clothes, and put sackcloth upon his flesh, and fasted, and lay in sackcloth, and went softly. And the word of the Lord came to Elisha the Tishbite, saying, Seest thou how Ahab humbleth himself before me? Because he humbleth himself before me, I will not bring this evil in his days, but in his son's days will I bring this evil upon his house." And so Ahab's response to the message from Elisha that God's going to kill him, God's going to wipe him out, he puts on sackcloth, he mourns, he goes softly, the Bible says. In effect, in a word, he humbles himself. And an amazing thing. And God says, "Hey, whoa, Elisha, hey, come here, check this out. Look at what Ahab's doing." And then he says, "Because, Ahab, you're doing this, because you've humbled yourself, I'll not punish you the way I was going to. I'll not kill you." And so we see here the amazing power of humility, that even Ahab, when he humbled himself, God granted him mercy. Really two thoughts, two takeaways. One is this: how much better would our life be if we would humble ourselves, if we would admit we need help, if we would say we're sorry to our spouse, whatever it is. There is a lot of power in humility. And then second, just the grace of God, that God would be willing to give grace even to Ahab, Jezebel's husband. What a God we serve. There is no limit to God's grace. It should be amazing to us, and there is tremendous power in humility. I hope that'll be a blessing to you today.